What if you had the option not to age? Have you heard of the emerging discoveries in stopping the aging process? In 2023, David Sinclair of Harvard Medical School and colleague Jae-Yun Yang with several other scientists released an amazing study of mice. These experiments reveal that aging can be driven forwards and backwards at will. Have you seen the movie Benjamin Button? What if we could control the effect? Find out what they have discovered in these experiments. This mouse was aged 150% more than its sibling. But were the scientists able to reverse the aging? Using Yamanaka factors, the team then rejuvenated the eyesight, brain, muscle, and kidney cells, bringing them back to much younger levels. Do you know what else they discovered? They also discovered that our bodies hold a backup copy of our youth that can be triggered to regenerate, Sinclair explains, challenging the belief that aging is due to genetic mutations. Jae-Yun Yang, a co-author of the paper, believes these findings will transform our approach to aging and could increase lifespans by 25% or more. What if you had the chance to live 25% longer? Sinclair's new paper, published in the journal Cell, suggests that aging is not caused by damaged DNA but by a loss of information in our cells. This loss of information is akin to an old computer developing corrupted software. Sinclair calls it the information theory of aging. Sinclair's team discovered that there's a backup copy of this software in our bodies, which can be reset to restore youthful function. It doesn't matter if you're 50 or 75, healthy or ill. Once triggered, the body remembers how to regenerate and become young again. Do you know how Sinclair discovered this new scientific information? The hunt for this reset switch began when Sinclair was a graduate student, discovering genes that control aging in yeast. He then expanded his research to look for those genes in mice and conducted these amazing experiments. There is a lot of information to share about this new science and more being released all the time. This is the first video in a series or playlist on this subject, so if you want to find out more, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell for alerts so you can learn more. The next scene has the full documentation of the names of the scientific team and the title of the research they released in Aging magazine on July 12, 2023. Researchers Jae-Yun Yang, Christopher A. Petty, Thomas Dixon McDougall, Maria Vina Lopez, Alexander Tyshkovsky, Sun Mayberry Lewis, Xiao Tian, Nabila Ibrahim, Jili Chen, Patrick T. Griffin, Matthew Arnold, Jian Li, Oswaldo A. Martinez, Alexander Ben, Ryan Rogers Hammond, Suzanne Angeli, Vadim N. Gladyshev, and David A. Sinclair from Harvard Medical School, University of Maine and Massachusetts Institute of Technology, MIT, published a new priority research paper in Aging, titled, Chemically Induced Reprogramming to Reverse Cellular Aging. Like and subscribe the channel. You'll also find links to books on Amazon on the subjects covered here and that support the channel.